Software Asset Management and Contract Management Pro work together to give software asset managers a single, connected view of licenses and the contracts that govern them, all within the Software Asset Workspace. Let's see how obligation management is built natively into the SAM workspace, and how AI agents automatically extract contract metadata and obligations from signed documents, eliminating manual data entry and helping teams stay ahead of renewal deadlines. When SAM is used with Contract Management Pro, two new menu items appear under Contracts in the License Operations view: Obligations and Obligation Tasks. This gives managers a central place inside the SAM workspace to create, view, and track all contractual responsibilities without switching to a separate system. The obligations-related list is also added directly to the contract record, so managers can see all obligations and tasks for a specific contract at a glance. Inside a contract record, we select Initiate Contract Extraction to begin metadata extraction. AI agents read the contract and automatically populate key fields. After extraction is complete, the interface guides managers through a step-by-step review. In the review step, the signed contract and all extracted fields appear side by side using the Doc Intel viewer. Managers can verify accuracy, fill in any empty fields, and correct errors. When we're done reviewing, we select Submit. After metadata is submitted, the system automatically calculates a contract reminder date based on the end date, auto-renewal clause, and termination notice period. Managers review the suggested date, adjust it if needed, and configure who receives the reminder notification, ensuring the right people are alerted before a renewal window closes. The AI agents also identify contractual obligations from the signed contract text and present them as structured records. Managers review each one, approving or rejecting as appropriate. Approved obligations are immediately available in the Obligations tab of the contract record, with recurring tasks generated automatically based on the defined schedule. For contracts that didn't go through AI extraction, obligation records can be created manually from the Obligations tab on any active contract record. After an obligation is created with a recurring schedule, the system automatically generates obligation tasks. No manual task creation needed. For one-time or irregular obligations, we select the Obligations tab, and then New to create ad hoc tasks from an active obligation record. Assigning a user and setting a due date triggers an email notification to the responsible person automatically. We click the License Operations tab, then select the Obligation Tasks list view. This view gives managers a single place to see every task across all active contracts, making it easy to identify what's outstanding, overdue, or completed. Software Asset Management with Contract Management Pro gives teams a connected, automated view of software licenses and the contracts behind them, from AI-powered extraction to proactive obligation tracking, all within the Software Asset Workspace.